Claude Fable 5 is here and it's time to supercharge your websites. And I really mean it because once you combine it with Claude Code, you get absolutely stunning results. I mean, just take a look at this. I built it with Fable 5 in just a few minutes. The scroll animations, the transitions, like everything, as you can see, is just buttery smooth. No templates, no design skills, nothing. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build one yourself. Or hey, if you want me to build yours, link is in the description. And right now, let's go. So the first thing which you can do for your 10K website is go to Dribble, and here under the website section, you will pretty much see a ton of the templates to pick from or designs. For example, here I have this really cool design, Vivid website from this author, and you can see that it has some really cool website design. For example, validated by industry leaders, and then it has this really cool animations. As you can see, I think this looks pretty cool. Now let's go back here and let's take a look at few more examples. For example, here we have this soap or whatever this is. This one also looks pretty good and very similar to this first one. Maybe the creator is even the same. And then here, for example, we have a few more. Let's take a look at this app, for example. You can see that you have app design here as well. And everything is pretty much animated, or pretty much you can see the interactions on the UI. So yeah, that is pretty cool. Now there's one trick which I have up to my sleeve, and that is this really cool website prompt. Act as a master website designer with over 10 years of professional experience in UI UX design. Your role is to design websites that are modern, visually appealing, user-friendly, and yeah, that is pretty much the goal here. This is the prompt, and here I also gave ChatGPT a simple example. So right now we have act as an elite website designer and creative director with 10 plus years of experience creating, and if we go here further, you can see creating websites for high-end brands, startups, SaaS companies, luxury businesses, and companies that invest 10,000 plus in their digital presence. Now let's just copy this thing, and now you want to go here to Claude, and here you want to select Claude Code. Of course, you can see Claude Code, and then down below make sure that you select Fable. Now Fable 5 is included until July 12th, by the way. And now just simply here paste in this super prompt. Here I have also this folder where it will pretty much put in the files. And now let's just click on enter and let's see what Fable 5 will cook. By the way, if you want me to build you a custom website, front end, back end, make sure that you check out the first link down below in the video description. And if you guys haven't already, make sure to drop a like down below as well. Subscribe to the channel is highly appreciated. And now let's continue here with building a website. So here it says, I'll take a look at what's already in your project folder before diving into design direction. By the way, the project folder is empty. And now here we have what kind of robotic business is this website for? Robotic startup, product, industrial automation firm, robotics education academy, R&D lab, research group. I think I'm gonna go with this first one, robotic startup. And then here, what should I deliver? Design concept plus build site, which is recommended. Design concept only, build site only, and I will go with design concept. And then here I will click on create identity from scratch. But if you have, for example, a client already, you can go here and click on I'll provide brand details. And then here you will put in name, logos, colors, etc. And then let's click on create identity from scratch. And now let's see what will happen here with Claude. Now, so far it just used here up 685 tokens. So let's see what this number will be at the end. Now here you can also see, which is pretty cool, that it started to create design concept. So you can see that it put in here 139 lines of code. And here we have the point number 1, Axon Robotics launch site design concept. First is creative direction, engineered obsidian, brand feeling, inevitability, not cute robot friend, not scary sci-fi. Design inspiration, Boston dynamic restraint figures, AI product first storytelling. That is pretty cool. And then we already have a website strategy. So audience, which is investors and press, early enterprise customers, engineering, talents, etc. And then here we have user journey, even arrival, orientation, proof, trust, action. And the page is pretty much a single scroll narrative. Every section ends with a vector towards the CTA. And then we have the sitemap, home page design even. So that looks already super sophisticated and premium. So let's see here what it will build, because right now it's just started. started. Now the build, 3 files, markup style sheet, and the interaction layers. I guess this is it. Let's take a look here at the website at full screen action. We have here this custom looking cursor, as you can see, and this really cool background. And then machines built to move the world. And if we scroll here down below, we have the machine, have warehouse, and we even have a robot capabilities. As you can see, it looks overall super good. And then we have here a few more options. Now, I do not like a few of the things. Personally, I would like a lot more images, for example. And then here, the other things look pretty okay, but maybe this robot could be interactive. For example, if I would be able to grab on some joints and drag them somewhere here. So that would be pretty cool. Maybe a roadmap, everything looks okay. Maybe even more elements like this one. So yeah, let's go here back to Claude and let's modify this thing. So right now it's doing something in the background. As you can see, I think it's reviewing the whole website. So let's just wait for a few seconds here. Now, this is the hero section, which I don't like. So here I will paste in this prompt. So if we scroll here down below, let me just explain it briefly. Create a next generation hero section for Ithera Robotics that immediately creates a wow effect within the first 3 seconds. The hero should feel like a futuristic technology showcase combining the visual quality of a luxury automotive website, an Apple-style product launch, and an award-winning creative agency experience. And here you can see the first screen should communicate advanced engineering, artificial intelligence, precision robotics, future manufacturing, and enterprise level trust. So now let's just send here and hopefully Fable will do its thing more correctly this time, because the first time it did almost everything correctly, just a few things here and there, which I didn't like. So now let's just wait here for a few seconds and let's see the end result. And now this is the website after the enhancements, and I think it looks much better than before. You can see we have this really cool logos. As you can see, we have the animations as well. And then for this cards here, we have this really nice glossy design. Now, if we take a look here at the down below, we can scroll here down below. We can see how really nicely it animates here from this robot, goes here to directly to this section. Then we have the machine factories. We have again the robot here, and overall the website has a really nice flow to it, and the animations have a clear purpose. Now we can also go here down below. We have this really nice glossy art here down below to request a demo, and then we have here the footer. Pretty much, I think it looks super clean nevertheless. So this hero section was completely redesigned, as you can see. And yeah, it is much better than before. It has this wow effect, which I asked Claude for. So let's take a look here if Claude is actually finished already. And yeah, you can see that it is. And yeah, this is pretty much how you guys can build 10K websites for, I don't know, for SaaS companies, for any other fintech companies as well. And I think that Claude here can create some really cool websites. So yeah, if you want me to build you a custom website, custom front end, custom back end, please check out the first link down below in the video description. And if you haven't already, drop a like down below as well, subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.